Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm making a lemon chess cake. This is super easy. It starts off with a box cake mix. This is lemon cake mix, 1 egg and 1 stick of melted butter. So let's put this together. So right here I have a big bowl, my cake mix. I'm adding my melted butter and my egg. Now I'm going to beat this together. So here we go. Look at this. It's all beat together and look how thick it is. This is the way it's supposed to be. It's a very thick consistency. This is going to be the crust. This is a 9 by 13 baking dish and I sprayed it with a non-stick baking spray. That's the one that has the flour in it. I'm going to add my crust. This is really the consistency of cookie dough. So that's why I have the gloves on. I'm going to spread it out with my fingers all over the bottom of my pan. Now I'm going to set this to the side. Now I'm going to zest an entire lemon. Try not to get the white part because it's bitter. Going to need the juice of 1 lemon. So right here I have a bowl and I have 16 ounces of powdered sugar. I'm going to sift it in this bowl. So here's my 16 ounces of powdered sugar. It's been sifted. Here's an 8-ounce brick of cream cheese and it's very softened. It's been sitting out for a couple of hours. To that I'm adding 3 eggs. And this is the juice of my lemon. Now I'm going to mix this together. Here's my powdered sugar cream cheese mixture. It's all mixed up. So now I'm bringing back my crust and I'm going to pour this mixture over the top of the crust. Okay, so now I'm just going to make sure that I'm spreading it to all the sides. Now I'm going to bring in my lemon zest. I'm just going to put that all over the top of my chess cake. I have my oven. It's preheated 350 degrees. I'm going to pop this in there anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes. I'll let you know how long it takes. I've seen different recipes and they have different cook times. So I'll let you know what I end up with. My chess cake just came out of the oven and it's a little puffy right now. So you're supposed to let this completely cool off before you start cutting it. And as described, it's supposed to be cut into bars. So it's kind of a chess cake bar recipe. And it looks really, really good. It took me 45 minutes to cook this. It's beautiful, and that is what the original recipe said the cook time was. We're going to let this completely cool off, and then we're going to cut into it. So this is my lemon chess cake. Okay, so I let it cool down. It's totally cool. These are my slices. They look beautiful. And what you always want to do with something like this, and you just put a little bit of powdered sugar on top and it just kicks it up a notch. It looks beautiful. Look at that. So I'm going to put a little bit more over here and it just makes everything lovely. So this is my lemon chess cake. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you next time.